you're a wedding photographer and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you're in the right spot, so keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the MartySites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your wedding photographer services. Let's jump in. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you aren't quite familiar with MartySites yet, welcome to our YouTube channel. MartySites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. Once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. As you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, wedding photographer. You also have the options to select the general service business template. Great, let's on MartySites a few basic details about our wedding photography services so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the MartySites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click on that continue button, MartySites will automatically generate a simple website for your business and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now because I'm going to be the one to show you around. The great thing about MartySites, which makes us a little bit different from other website builders, is we've pre-written all the content for you specific to a wedding photographer and pre-selected images too specific to that market as well. Basically, whichever market you select out of the hundreds, it will automatically generate a simple website for you with pre-written content, pre-selected images specific to that very market. Of course, you can change the images, and I'm sure you've got some beautiful images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to this content. Maybe let your customers know how you got into this industry. To make any changes, as mentioned, you don't need to know any coding, and you certainly don't need to be a web professional in any kind of way. You don't even have to be that tech savvy. It's literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. So let me show you how easy it is to make any changes. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address, and I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. Phone numbers, click to call, and physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address to be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Over here, underneath update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your brand new website. In the next section, if you've got a business logo, make your way over here to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can crop it or rotate it by clicking on that little pencil icon. You can also make your logo bigger and smaller to fit into that section a little bit better. To change the colors, just click on that paint icon. There are so many color palettes to choose from. Browse through them and choose one that suits your wedding photographer service best. Maybe that matches your logo or your branding. Now for those sections that you want to change those images and maybe where those buttons, the call to action buttons, where they're linked to, just click on that handy button. Over here, you have the option to browse your device, upload your own images, or search through the photo library. Literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You can just change the keywords and find suitable images. You also have the option to connect your Instagram accounts. Now those call to action buttons, we can change the text on the buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with your different pricing points and packages for weddings, or link to another website. Maybe you take online bookings through a calendar booking service. And the last section at the bottom is where your customers can easily reach out to you via the lead generation form. You can keep track of all those leads coming in your Marty dashboard. If you've already purchased a custom domain for your business website, that was absolutely a smart move, because having a custom domain for your website makes it look more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. You absolutely can connect it. Just click on connect your domain. MartySites makes use of entry, which makes connecting your domain super simple. Just click on already have a domain. If you want to purchase a custom domain, you absolutely can do so via the MartySites platform by clicking on I want a new domain. I really hope this short overview video was helpful in building a simple and affordable website on MartySites for your wedding photography services. Really wishing you and your business Marty success. If you have any questions about MartySites, do pop them down below. I'll be happy to answer all your questions.